Do you want to configure CherryProxy in the Genlogin browser? Open the CherryProxy client and go to the SOCKS 5 Proxies interface. On the right, filter by the country/state/city where the IPs you need are located. And click Search to obtain a list of IP addresses for the target area. In the refreshed proxy list, select an IP address. Right-click to forward it to an available port. And click on the port forwarding list at the bottom to find the forwarded IP address. Click the Copy button on the right. Now it's time to configure the proxy in the Genlogin browser. Open Genlogin. In the left menu, click Create Profile. Then name it. Click on your network and select the proxy type. From the drop-down menu, choose a proxy protocol. We offer HTTP, HTTPS, and SOCKS 5 proxies. Enter your proxy host and port. Then click Check Proxy to test the connection. If your proxy is valid, you will see the following information: location, IP address, and time zone. Next, you can configure other aspects of the browser fingerprint, such as location, hardware, and cookies. Once everything is set up, click the Create Profile button. That's all the steps for configuring CherryProxy in Genlogin.